Welcome to another Castelo construction project. Castelo Construction received an email inquiry from a lady in Australia who had purchased a property near Tamar and wanted to convert the attic space into 2 ensuite double bedrooms. She was originally considering an architect to plan the project, but opted to take advantage of our design and planning experience. On our first visit to the property, we identified a potential problem of pillars which supported the roof. However, with careful planning and clever positioning of furniture, we created a design the client liked. Working with a client from such a distance is easy with today's instant communication. We could send our client detailed plans clearly showing the layout, containing furniture, and all to scale. The client was happy and accepted our quotation. The works began. Regular updates of progress were sent to the client together with many photos, keeping her informed at every stage. She, in turn, made her stage payments with complete confidence. Choice of tiles, bathroom fittings, and any interior finishing touches were easily chosen online, and everything went very smoothly. Meeting the client for the first time to show her the finished project was very exciting. She was delighted because we had far exceeded her expectations.